I know about a secret room on the cruise ship, and I'm going to tell you where it is and why you definitely need to go check it out. Well, hello there, Disney cruisers. Thanks for checking out this video. My name is Ashley. I'm so glad that you are here today. To let everyone know that you are joining us, give us a like down below. And then also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, you should if you love Disney cruising, whether that means you're a complete newbie or you've been on the ship 100 times. The Disney Cruise Line ships are huge. Even the smaller ships are big ships. You could spend plenty of time going around and exploring each ship. Each class of ships has their own set of unique things that I love about them. And one of the things I love about the classic ships, the Wonder and the Magic, is a special little room that they have at the very front of the ship. Now, when I say front of the ship, I mean the pointed part of the front of the ship. Like, you can't get more front than this part. It also is a place that looks like you are not supposed to be, but it's totally fine for you to be there.
Unless they have it chained off because they're cleaning.
Other than that, you can totally get to this area. If you go on the walking/jogging deck, deck 4 on the outside, which, as you know, I like to call the Titanic deck because I think it looks just like how it would look if you were on the Titanic. It's got the classic wood floors, the really cool, like, I don't know what they're called, like nautical ship lights. All the furniture out there is wooden. It's just unbelievable. The lifeboats are above you. It's just spectacular. You can check out a video I have on the Titanic deck here. But if you walk all the way around the Titanic deck, and you can go all the way around the ship on this deck, on deck 4, because it's the jogging trail. They're not going to have you jog like halfway around and then turn around and jog backwards the other way. No, it's a full lap. It's a full circle or oval, or I don't know. I don't know what shape a ship is. I guess it's an oval. Yeah. So in the very front part of it, you'll start getting skinnier and skinnier, but you can still go back there even though it looks like you can't. And then when you get to the very front part of the ship, there is the coolest room. I don't know what it's called, but we call it the anchor room. This picture that I'm showing you, I don't want to show you the full room because I want you to go experience it for yourself. So this is just a zoomed in picture of something that you can see when you're looking in this room, but it is so cool. It like shows like the mechanical workings of a ship. It's kind of like behind the scenes. The things in there are ginormous. It's neat to see things that go way down deep into the ocean. Like, it's just so cool to see, especially if you're on the cruise ship because like you actually love cruise ships or you like seeing how things out at sea function. Like, it's just really neat. I encourage you to go to deck 4 anyways, just to sit in those chairs, play shuffleboard, look out at the water, but then also take a lap around and go look at the anchor room. In the daytime and the nighttime, it looks different. On that journey, you'll also come across these little like windows on the sides of the ship that have like jail bars like across it. And it's like an open window to the ocean, which now that I'm saying that is so stupid because like, I mean, you can go out on deck if you're like open to the ocean, but for some reason I think it's neat that you can see this little window with jail bars on it, and then whatever. But when you're off the ship, you can actually see the window with the bars in it too, so you can be like, oh, that's where we were looking out at. Really cool too to show your kids this room so they can get a feel of how the ship works and how large it actually is. Do you have a favorite secret spot on a ship? If so, leave it in the comments below. If you haven't seen the Titanic deck video, I suggest that you check that out right here. And then if you want to watch whatever YouTube wants you to watch, you can click this video right here. See you real soon, cruisers!